Hey everyone, today, we're tackling a question that a lot of you have asked. Does TradingView pay? The short answer is yes, but probably not in the way you think. TradingView is a fantastic platform for charts and analysis, but it's not a trading firm that pays you to trade. Let's break down the real ways you can earn money from it. First off, let's get the obvious one out of the way. TradingView is a charting tool. The most direct way to make money is by using their incredible charts and analysis tools to improve your own trading. You're the one making the money, not TradingView. You analyze the markets, find opportunities, and execute trades through a connected broker. TradingView gives you the insights. Your skills turn those insights into profit. Now, for the ways TradingView actually puts money in your pocket. The first is through their content creation program. If you're an analyst, a great writer, or you're good at creating educational content, you can publish your trading ideas and scripts on the platform. If your publication gets selected for the editor's picks, TradingView will pay you a reward. It's a great way to get recognized and earn some cash while you build your reputation. The second way is through their affiliate program. This is a big one. TradingView has one of the most generous affiliate programs out there. If you have an audience, whether it's on a blog, a social media account, or a YouTube channel, you can sign up to become an affiliate. When you refer new users who sign up for a paid plan, you earn a commission. The commissions are substantial and are paid out for every new paid subscriber you bring in. So to recap, TradingView doesn't pay you to trade, but it empowers you to make money through your own trading skills. And for those who want to earn directly from the platform, you can get paid for creating high-quality, editor-picked content or by joining their affiliate program and referring new users. It's about leveraging the platform's features to your advantage. Whether you're a trader, an analyst, or a content creator, TradingView offers multiple paths to help you turn your passion into profit.